Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. My name is Nanda Widayarti. I'm from the 6th semester of English department. Now I want to explain my material of study, seminar on language teaching. First, my title is Improving Student Vocabulary Mastery Through English Song at 8th grade of MTS Negeri 2 Bandar Lampung in 2020 to 2021. Chapter 1, Background of Problem. The writer found that the students faced some problem in learning vocabulary. They found difficulties in memorizing some English words, understanding the meaning of the word, identify the word, and using the word. The student could not speak English well because of their limited vocabularies. Another problem is student motivation or interest in learning vocabulary, which is more difficulties. They thought that English words in a text are not familiar for them. To solve the problem above, the writer was interested to apply a teaching strategy to improve student vocabulary mastery. One of the strategies in English song technique is on the way that used by the writer to improve the student English ability, especially in vocabulary. Next, identification of the problem. First, the student in memorize some English. Second, the student difficult understanding the meaning of the word. Third, the student difficult identify the word and using the word. The limitation of the problem. Based on the identification above, it is impossible for the writer to discuss all the problems. The writer focused this research on the student difficulties of vocabulary mastery. Besides, the writer also used English song to improve student vocabulary mastery. The limitation is done due to limit the time and financial the writer has. Formulation of the problem. First, is there any improved student vocabulary mastery through English song? Second, is there an interest in student learning activities? Okay, next, chapter 2, definition of vocabulary. According to Chris Dalaksana 2008, vocabulary is a component of a language that maintains all of information about meaning and using words in a language. Based identification above, it can be concluded that vocabulary is a group of words which have been mastered and used in communication by the people. Next, definition of vocabulary mastery. Sunarti 2010, she stated that vocabulary means a group of words which have been mastered by the student after the process of teaching and learning. Mastering a large number of vocabularies is very important for foreign language learners. Without mastering it, of course, foreign language learners will get some difficulties in developing the foreign language skill. Next, teaching vocabulary. Teaching vocabulary is a complex task because it includes the meaning of the word. A good teacher should use appropriate technique and enough practice for certain words so that the objective will be achieved. Concerning the appropriate technique, a teacher must choose suitable method to teach vocabulary. The teacher has to teach not only the meaning of the word, but also has to use appropriate method for its other aspect of language. Next, learning vocabulary. Learning vocabulary is a very important part of learning a language. The more words you know, the more you will be able to understand that you hear and read, and the better you will be able to say that you want to when speaking or writing. There are two major types of vocabulary learning. First, deliberate and incidental. Vocabulary learning types and low frequency are important components in a vocabulary teaching program. Definition: English song. Song is sort of music with words that be sung. Song is a short musical word set, a poetic text with equal importance given to music and to the words. It may be written for one of several voices, and it is general performed with instrument accompaniment. The language song usually easy to be understood. It gives motivation and makes the relation between the teacher and student closer. Next, the procedure of teaching vocabulary by using song English. The procedure of using song for teach vocabulary is as follows. First, the teacher prepare video or audio based on the student book. Second, the teacher play video or audio for the student 2 or 3 times to make the student familiar with new words in the song. Third, the teacher and the student sing a song together 2 or 3 times. Fourth, the teacher guides the student to learn the meaning of new words deeply and clearly. Fifth, the teacher gives the student worksheet. Six, the student and the teacher and student correct the worksheet. And next, the teacher and the student sing a song again. And the last, chapter 3, method of research. In the research, the writer will use classroom action research or CAR as a method of the research. Action research design is controversial, seemingly contradictory, and probably an as yet unfinished and still evolving design. Next, technique of collecting data. Technique of collecting data use test and non-test. Next, instrument of the research. For syllabus, lesson plan, formative text, summative text, interview, observation, checklist, files, note, and last documentation. And the last, data analysis technique. According to Barnes 1999, data analysis is the point where stats or assumptions about what the research shows are produced. In their research, there are two types of data that will be collected, namely quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data will be analyzed by using main statistical formula, while qualitative data will be analyzed by using descriptive qualitative method. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.